My video is dedicated to help you get rid of the new ransomware called MuskOff. MuskOff is a ransomware belonging to the Chaos ransomware family. My video, though, is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In the video, I will show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files and will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover the files. I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover the files. So before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open the files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation and other data. All that can be opened easily without troubles. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this MuskOff ransomware may be very easily injected into the device, and so very soon users realize that they can no longer access the data. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. So if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money. Don't pay the ransom. Don't waste your funds. The ransomware is called like that because it also appends this MuskOff extension to the file names. Anyway, be very careful. I recommend you to remove this ransomware urgently with the help of reliable antivirus software. I recommend you to use a program called Cleaner Antivirus. For this purpose, you will get it on the page combocleaner.com, but you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser to download it, because other browsers may be also damaged by the ransomware. So through this site, combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then click on Start Scan button. As you see, the software is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Most likely, the application would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is certainly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. And then the scanning will begin, and at the end of the scanning you will see the full summary of the threats which were revealed during the scan. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license. You can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the files. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files, by the way. Anyway, take your time, wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of infections. Some threats can be removed manually based on the summary of those threats and their locations. But my recommendation is that you choose premium license of Combo Cleaner. This way, all these threats can be removed automatically. And speaking about file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.